So today I want to talk about budgets, because I often go into, especially small businesses run by more elderly owners. I go there and their technology is ancient, and I go, well, what's the problem? And they go, well, it works. We don't need to replace it. It's just like, yes, but you're missing the point, is that you've not budgeted effectively in order to life cycle through your tech. And what that means is it's going to run very, very smoothly, do its thing for ages and ages, then it's just going to break. It's the bathtub curve. So you start off, lots of things break, it's very, very stable, and then those things break. So we recommend usually that you have a life cycle management for everything. I've worked for two companies one of which had life cycle management for everything they had in the business. Everything they did had a life expectancy, and when it reached the end of its life expectancy, they got rid of it. The other company just kept things going when they break. Guess which company was more profitable? I'll leave that as an exercise for the viewer. So if you want to cut your IT costs and you worry you're spending too much money, make a budget. Work out what equipment you've got, how much it costs to replace, and how long its life expectancy is. And by the way, if you're depreciating your computers over 10 years, they're not going to last 10 years because that bath cup's going to kick in. If you're depreciating them over a year, that's too quick. It's easy to find this information out. You can ask me about different life cycles of different pieces of equipment. Put them on the life cycle budget, and you know how much you've got to spend. If there's upturns and downturns in the company, you've got time, you can sweat it a little bit. If you're sweating the assets for decades, you're just leaving money on the table. Your business is less profitable because of it. So don't let your fear of spending money in the right place cost your business money. Hope that's useful, and yeah, if you'd like to get in touch, as I say, I help businesses use technology more effectively. I sit between the management team, you maybe, and the technology team, and my job is to make sure that they're communicating well. I sit between the two, make sure that what's going from one mouth is going to the ears in a language that people understand. So I hope that makes sense. If you've got any comments, thoughts, let me know below, or you can get in touch with me again. My contact details are below. Thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.